How to use YouTube TV on smart TV. Now, usually, smart televisions nowadays has already a built-in feature in which they already have included YouTube TV or even YouTube that will be set as package on the smart television that you're having. However, it is going to be case-to-case basis. If your smart television is not capable of having a built-in app store where you can download YouTube TV if it's not included in your pack, then what you can do is just to use a USB stick and then just simply stick it in your working laptop or PC, download the APK version of YouTube TV, and then just simply install it in your smart television. However, if you have or YouTube TV is included in your current smart TV, then what you want to do is just to open up all the specific applications that is built in on your smart TV and then access YouTube TV from there. And that is how you use YouTube TV on smart TV.